Hello everyone. Today's video will show you how to make this beautiful bag with simple steps. I used both crochet and knitting to create this bag. Start by making a slip knot. I used a 5mm knitting needle. Make 27 stitches to ensure the edges are straight and even. For the first stitch, make a purl stitch, and for the last stitch, transfer it onto the knitting needle without knitting. And the rest of the stitches will be knit stitches. Transfer the last stitch only onto the needle without knitting. Turn the needle. For the first stitch, make a purl stitch, and the rest will be knit stitches, except for the last one. For the last stitch, transfer it only onto the needle. Turn the needle again, make the first stitch as a purl stitch, then continue with knit stitches, and for the last stitch, transfer it only onto the needle. Repeat this process until you reach the desired height. Finish the last row, make 2 purl stitches, then pass the back loop over the front loop. Make a purl stitch, then pass the back loop over the front loop. Repeat this process to the end of the row. The edges are straight. Height, 46.5 centimeters. Width, 21.5 centimeters. Now, I will make the sides. I used a 5mm crochet hook. Make a slip knot, then chain 9. Make a single crochet stitch in each chain. Chain 1, turn the work, and continue by making a single crochet in each stitch. Repeat this process until you reach the desired height. I will make 2 pieces for the sides with the same measurements. Height, 12.5 centimeters. Width, 8 centimeters. Now I will attach the sides to the bag. Insert the hook into the front loop. Pull the yarn and make a chain. Then insert the hook into the same stitch and make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the front loop, then into the stitch on the opposite side, and make a slip stitch. Repeat this process with slip stitches until the sides are secured. I will attach the other side with the same way.